Hello friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily access Minimax AI. And you may be wondering, how can I find Minimax AI? What is Minimax AI? And it is really interesting because I don't know if you've ever heard about hailuo AI, but hailuo AI was developed by Minimax, right? So I'm going to show you how easy it is. So let me go ahead and head over to hailuo AI so that you can see what hailuo AI is. If you've never heard about it, I'm sure some of you guys have seen some releases on my channel. So if you're not new to my channel, then you will see some releases about hailuo AI. And guys, hailuo AI was developed by Minimax, right? And once you're at hailuo AI, you will see at the uppermost left-hand side that you have video, chat, and audio. And the secret trick is that these two links take you over to the production or other applications or systems that was developed by Minimax AI. So let's here at Google. All you have to do is just simply really type in your browser Minimax AI, right? And once you do that, you will see the results basically pointing you to hailuo AI. You might be wondering, I'm not finding Minimax. What is Minimax? And you will see some things that mention Minimax AI, hailuo free, serverless, blah, 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 blah. You will see it. And once you also create videos in hailuo AI, you will see the watermark showing Minimax and also hailuo. So all you have to do really is just head over to hailuo AI like I showed you a few seconds ago. And once you're here, just simply go to chat or video. So I'm going to open up these both in a different window, and you will see that it starts to show Minimax. See, you can see from those link titles. So it will take you over to Minimax. Now, there are two really additional powerful tool that you can use with Minimax, right? So you have a Minimax chat, and this is something like a chat GPT, a DeepSeek, or Grok or Grok or whatever, Gemini, whichever AI chat you are using out there, the principle is the same, right? So you have a chat, and one of the really cool thing is that you can basically use the power of this DeepSeek with Minimax. So if you want to use DeepSeek R1, you can simply use it. It comes with the Minimax Test 1, the Minimax Text 1, and you also have the DeepSeek R1. So I always choose the DeepSeek R1 as well when I'm using Minimax. So you can go ahead and you can ask it whatever. You can say, what is Minimax, right? So you can ask it, what is Minimax AI? And it will basically use the power of the DeepSeek R1 to basically think and basically answer whatever it is, right? So as you can see, it's basically thinking and basically providing an answer, right? So you can easily use that power right there. On the left hand side, you can see here basically that it just allow you to create a new chat. You have your chat history, you have your favorites, and basically that's basically it's very simple, very straightforward, and user-friendly AI chatbot that you can use. On the upper right hand side, you can easily go ahead and switch this to dark mode. As you can see, it's a little moon. You can switch that to dark mode or light mode, whichever your preference, right? And your profile is basically this button here. You click on it, you have about Minimax that you can learn about them, contact us, and obviously sign out, right? So you can easily go ahead. Now, if you're visiting this website for the first time, and are you visiting it from the hailuo AI, it will basically ask you to sign in, right? And you can use the same Google or Apple account, whatever account that you're using on hailuo AI, you can easily go ahead and use that same account to sign in, right? So that's basically, it's a very straightforward one. Now, the next one you can easily access from here, as I mentioned before, is the audio. So as you head over there, there's also some updates here, right? So I'm going to click off this. It's very straightforward as well. So what it basically does allow you to do quite a lot of text to speech, right? So you can basically, and you can do text to speech, and you can also do like vocal remover or something, remove background music as well. So I'm going to show you how it works, and it's very straightforward. So here you can put whatever text you want. So I can go ahead and I can just put speech synthesis here. I can copy that and I can paste it. So let's say that's what I want to say. You have the option here at the bottom to just generate speech. On the upper right hand side, you can switch the voices. You have a ton of voices that you can choose from, right? And if you want to use a voice, just simply click on use, and it will select the voice. If you want to listen to a voice, just hover over it and play.
Every syllable carries a.
G'day, mate.
In the quiet of dusk.
And there's some really cool voices as well. towards the right hand side, you can, let's say, bookmark them. As you can see, a little bookmark button. So if I want to bookmark, for example, this Aussie guy, I can go ahead and bookmark that, and I'm going to show you where you find these as well. So once you bookmark a voice, all you have to do is go to my voices, and this is going to basically show you those ones that are bookmarked. So as you can see, I bookmark quite a lot, so you can easily find the voices that you like. So when you have some time on your hand, you can go through the list of all the voices, or you can search between languages and all those good stuff, right? And once you find something that you like, you can go ahead and you can bookmark them so that you can easily find them under your voices, and that's very, very cool. Right, so you also have the option to change emotion and voice modifier. As you can see here, you can go ahead and you can do that, but of course you have to upgrade, right? And so if you upgrade, then you can easily go ahead and use that. You can change the emotions. You have quite a few emotions depending on which voice you choose. If you choose a certain voice, then it comes with various other emotions. So I can scroll through and I can choose, for example, this one here, and I can use it. And then you can see there are various, tones or emotion that you can choose from. Play around with the speed, play around with the pitch, play around with the volume, and yeah, you also have the history of whatever is there. Again, dark mode on the upper right hand side if you want to put it in dark mode, and you can upgrade to a account if you want. On the left hand side, you have basically the text to speech, you have the voices. Again, it takes you into a more open space where you can, basically go through the voices similar like I showed you before. And you also have the voice isolator. So this is basically if you want to isolate from a video or even an audio file, you can basically drag that file or upload that file from your computer here. And once you do that, you can basically remove the voice or the background music, whatever you want from the video or audio here, and you can basically, get that out, right? Very interesting stuff, right? So you can upload or you can record. It's really up to you. So simple but very cool. And the subscribe, it basically takes you over to the different plans that they have. You can choose whichever plans you want, right? So, and again, you have the audio and you also have the video and you have the chat. So it's like a 3-in-1, right? Very cool and useful things in today's world and society where people are using AI every single day. So if you want to, for example, do video, it takes you back to hailuo AI, right? How cool is that? If you want the chat, it takes you, opens up a new window, and it takes you over to Minimax, right? So whatever option you choose, audio, it takes you over to this one as well. So it's like a 3-in-1, guys, and I think that is very useful. It's a very interesting combination developed by this company Minimax. So if it's something that you're really interested in, I really suggest that you check it out. And I really like, for example, hailuo AI. It's really cool. You can generate some really cool stuff. And if you'd like to learn more about that as well, you can find out quite a few videos on my channel here where I basically speak about Minimax, where I basically speak about hailuo AI and how you can use it and how you can generate videos and all those good stuff. Right, so yeah, and upper right hand side as well, guys, as I'm looking here, you also have some credits, right? So it shows you how much you have, right? So remaining 4,000, how much you'd use and so forth. I haven't used it yet, but what happened is that every single day you get daily bonus credits. As you can see for today, the 14th, as you can see my on my calendar as well on the lower right hand side, today I have 4,000. So every day you jump onto this, you get 4,000. How cool is that? So you basically can use it for free, right? And that's really, really good. So guys, in a nutshell, that's basically it. I really hope you found some value here within this video. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And on top of that, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release more helpful videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.